We're tracking dangerous weather hitting several parts of the country right now.
That's right. Also, deadly wildfires are burning in New Mexico as an oppressive heat wave blasts millions of Americans from the Midwest to the Northeast. Meanwhile, Texas is bracing for the first tropical storm of the season.
Let's get you down to Texas, where folks are bracing for heavy rain and flooding from Alberto. CBS News national correspondent Dave Malkoff is feeling that in Corpus Christi. Dave, what are you feeling? What are you seeing?
Errol, we've got it. This is the Hurricane Center is telling us that this is now the Atlantic hurricane season. You know why? Because just minutes ago, they named this as Tropical Storm Alberto. This is the A storm. It is the first storm of what is decidedly going to be, according to NOAA, one of the most active seasons in memory. And you can see that this storm is about 380 miles, the center of it, just south of us in the Gulf of Mexico, coming onshore to Mexico, the eastern coast of Mexico, maybe sometime on Thursday. But even with that center being so far away from us, we're seeing these bands pushing all this way up, creating all this storm surge. It looks very dramatic to you on television. It looks dramatic to me standing right here. Luckily, we have a seawall here that's protecting us a little bit and some wires, so we're not going any further than that.
Well, appreciate that you have a seawall there. I'm wondering if that's sufficient protection for residents there on the water. What other protections exist for them?
Well, basically nothing. If you are on a low-lying area, and this is actually above sea level, but we have so much storm surge that's pushing up. We have about 4 to 6 feet of storm surge that's happening over on the barrier island, which is Mustang Island, that's far away from us. That is actually protecting us. That's what barrier islands do. They stop the storm surge from coming through, but still we're getting this much coming through here. There's even a RV park that we went to yesterday and we went to just a few minutes ago, and that place is just a little bit above sea level, but with this type of storm surge coming through and the rainfall coming down, we're getting deluge of rainfall, and that is causing a lot of street flooding, urban street flooding, and also some coastal flooding that's coming up here.
Dave, you're doing a great job in just illustrating the power of storm surge, which you don't need to be in the system to feel it. Talk to us more about the flooding status in Corpus Christi, where these types of scenes may be more frequent in the day ahead.
They will be, Errol, because of the storm surge that we're seeing actually coming from the island that's protecting us from over here. But as the storm gets closer and closer to us, the bands are going to push over, and that is what's pushing all of this storm surge up on us. That's what the storm actually does. It pushes it through here, and as I feel this with my hand, I can feel that this is 86 degrees right now.
Wow.
That feels like bathtub temperature, and what hurricanes and tropical storms do, and now that we're actually in the season, they take that energy that's in here, that bathtub energy, and they disperse it up into the hurricane, and it's kind of like an air conditioner for the planet, and it redistributes that energy around, and that is the energy source for hurricanes and tropical storms. So the hotter this is, the more of a season that we're going to have with landfalling hurricanes and tropical storms.
All right, Dave is a trained professional illustrating the power of the weather. Viewers at home, don't try what you see. Dave, thank you very much.